Hi everyone! This week's Clean With Me is in real time. Get ready to do dishes and tidy your kitchen right along with me. Make sure to like and subscribe so not to miss out on any new videos that I put out on Wednesdays. Leave a comment saying hi, introduce yourself. I would love to hear about you and anything you'd like to see from my channel. Enjoy your day. Bye.
It's all about the lies I've told. It's all about the love I wanna hold. It's all about my heart I lost tonight. It's all about the dreams I've had. It's all about the life and death. It's all about my fears I left behind. Where am I going? I almost lost my mind in this circle spinning round. My home, I think I lost my mind in something that can't be found. It's all about the lies I've told. It's all about love I wanna hold. It's all about my heart I lost tonight. It's all about the dreams I've had. It's all about life and death. It's all about my fears I left behind. I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. touch me. Back then our love was so strong. We wanted this to go on, but now it's only a pleasant memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, but you would not even notice me. I remember fleeting times when we stepped on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so far. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too.
Yeah, yeah, la, 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 la. Yeah, sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck about me. You've got a piece of me, and honestly my life wouldn't be the same without you. And they were not just friends, are we more than friends? We just have a hand on you. You think I'm stone cold, tripping, made himself being teased. I just wanna belong, yeah. Don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no. She moves like a dancing queen, she's attending for wish, and all this under my eyes. Please, babe, don't make that move with your eyes. Shut the past is past, but my love still doesn't know way. Don't lie to me about your chance, about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. And give me a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, it can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me about your chance, about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. And give me a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, it can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me about your chance, about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. And give me a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, it can stand no more.
let you go. My love, I'll think I'm yours. My dreams, like trees, I hope one day they'll grow. And I want to hold your hands when it is cold. So I wait, but you hate.
Thank you for cleaning along with me. I hope you got a lot of things done. Before we go out and have fun, remember to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so you're reminded of new videos every Wednesday, and leave a comment, say hi. All right, let's go out and have fun.